Hi guys, this is Kudo and welcome back to my part 2 on enum and flag tutorial. So I was saying in the other video, when you use a flag on the enum, basically what you're gonna do is, for example, you can mix the value. So I can say it could be center and maybe left. So what I was saying is if you use center, so center and left, basically what the enum does is say, okay, we will do 1 plus 2 and it will be equal to 3. So it will look for the number 3 in this enum. And as you can see, the number 3 here is not showing. And because of that, you can sum up anything you want. For example, if I sum up this time not center plus left, but if I sum up maybe right plus up, so let's say right plus and up, all right? So basically, it will sum up right, it's equal to 4 plus up, it will be equal to 8. So the sum of 4 plus 8 will be equal to 12. And so we are looking for the number 12 in this in this enum, and as you can see the number 12 is not showing, so right and up can be chosen. But if we didn't, if let's put a yellow, and if we remove all this number, so we remove this, so let's say, all right, so if we don't put equal or anything on the number, if I choose left and right, so if I choose, for example, let's take another one. So let's take lower and right. So let's say right plus and lower. So because I didn't take any of number, it will be equal to 0 plus 0, it will be equal to 0. And because all of this one, center will be equal to 0, left will be equal to 0, right will be equal to 0, up equal to 0, and lower and middle it will be equal to 0. So he will look for all the number will be equal to 0, so everything. So this is why at the first time, because in the inspector we got another one who is called everything, so everything. This is why last time when we tried to check right and lower, he returned in the inspector everything because it's sum up the 0 plus 0 it will be equal to 0. So he can choose um, anything. So this is why you need to put I will say um, a base of 2, because like that, anytime you will sum up all the number here, anytime you will sum up 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, you will never be in conflict with the other one. So I hope it's more clear and more easy to understand. So now let's go back to Unity. So now with the flag on, we can go on our cube and select the number of position we want. So for this one, we want the cube to be center and it will be on the middle. And as you can see, when I select center and middle, my position object become mixed. So now let's go back to our script. So right now, our script is working with a switch, but the problem with the switch actually is it's only it's only work if the my position will be only equal to only um, uh, one value. But the problem is because our our variable will be equal to different value, the switch cannot be longer stand, so we need to remove our switch and use another thing. So what we are using, it will be an if statement. So we'll do if my position object dot, and we'll use as flag because we want to know if our object at least got our flag. So let's say position dot center. We just want to debug dot log uh, our our uh, game object is placed on center, and we will do the same for the other one. For example, so we know it's center and the other one will be not center but middle. So right now it, sh- it will work. So just to be clear, I just want to put a debug dot log and to show you what is happening on the my position object. So yep, so let's get back to Unity and let's remove all my cube because I will have too much debug. So delete it. So clear my console, and so basically I rem just remember my position is set to center and middle. So if I hit play, oh, let's put this on collapse. So as you can see, um, we go through the center and middle. And as you can see on update function, the value of my position object is center middle. And if I add another one, so let's say right, as you can see, my position value will be equal to center, right, middle. And if I put none, it will be equal to none. So this is one way to use a flag value, and you can choose a mixed value, and it is very nice way to use it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the content, just thumb up and comment below the video. It will be very nice. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.